Let us start the new topic of the graph theory, planar graph and non-planar. Let us see the definition of planar graph. A graph G is said to be planar if it can be drawn on a plane in such a way that no edges cross one another except at the common vertices. कोई भी ग्राफ हमारा प्लानर ग्राफ तभी कहलाएगा जब कोई भी एजेस एक दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं करते हों एक्सेप्ट एट द कॉमन वर्टिसेस। मतलब कोई भी एजेस एक दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं करते हों और जो वहाँ पे जिस पॉइंट पर जो हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है वहाँ पे कोई भी वर्टिसेस लाई नहीं करना चाहिए, तो ही हमारा जो भी ग्राफ क्रिएट होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड अ प्लानर ग्राफ। इसके अपोजिट अ ग्राफ जी दैट कैन नॉट बी ड्रॉन ऑन अ प्लेन विदाउट क्रॉसिंग ऑफ इट। यदि कोई भी ग्राफ कोई भी एजेस क्रॉस करते हैं और हमें वी हैव फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट्स, देन द ग्राफ इज कॉल्ड अ नॉन प्लानर। लेट अस सी there are the example of the planar graph. There are four edges A, C, B, D. If I see that there is no intersection of the edges, that means there is no intersection point of the pair of edges, then it is called a planar graph. Similarly, let us see the four vertices. There is no intersection of the edges, that means that is called a planar graph. Similarly, let us see the K4 means the four vertices. Let us see the definition of the complete graph. Complete graph means all the vertices in the graph should be connected from remaining vertices in the graph. We see that we have to go to the A to D, but there is no edge between the A to D. Let us draw A to D edges. Similarly, we have to go from B vertices to C. There is no edges between to B to C. Let us draw the edge B to C. That means it is the complete graph. We see that it is a non-coplanar because there is a intersection point lie in the between the two edges except at the common vertices. यहाँ पे कोई भी vertices lie नहीं कर रहा है, that is called a non-coplanar. We will remove the intersection point by the new property, and we have to convert the non-coplanar into the planar graph. Let us see, we have to go A to D, then the edges we draw A to D, and similarly we have to go B to C. The edges should be drawn between B to C. We see that there is no intersection of the edges, then so it is a planar graph. That's all.